Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi Stormy. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Hi Mia. Of course everybody comes over when I start to do my haul. Today I have a Hobby Lobby haul because my stores, well my store, I only have one Hobby Lobby here. My store is putting everything out slowly in sections. Right now this week is like the punches and the stamps, the inks, and some more of the wooden block stamps. So actually this week I'm going to go back and check it out and see what's left because they're really good deals, especially for the punches. Also, I have a haul from a couple days ago when they had the paper and the embellishments. I went back because the paper was just unbelievable, and to get it for such a great price, I said to my husband, can I go? And he said sure, so I went. So anytime he says sure, I'm going. Alright, so this one, I'll start off with the embellishments first, just to show you what I got. I got this cute little bag, and this is the Flea Market Fancy. Everything, of course, is Paper Studio. So it was $1.75, originally $6.99, but it's a bag of goodies. I got 2 of these. So I thought that was really neat. You know, it would be good to give away to somebody too, you know. I mean, who wouldn't love to get all those little goodies in there? Look at there's so many things in there. So I did get 2 of these. Then I got some of these pearls. These are really cute. They were 75 cents, and they're the gemstones, but it's really long. See how long it is? But it was 75 cents, originally $2.99. That's not a bad price. I wish they had more of them, but they didn't. Also, these gemstones I got these before. I think they're really cute to pop on cards and stuff. Again, they were $2.99 down to 75 cents. I hope you can see them. I'm all out of breath because I ran into that room. Okay, and then I got some ribbon, $1.50. I love this ribbon, this mint color. Mint is my favorite color, so I love a mint. And it was originally $5.99 down to $1.50. So, and I did pick up some washi tape. This is decorating tape, or deco tape they call it. It has the flamingos with the little black dots on it. You really can't see the flamingos too well. But this was $1 from $3.99. And then I got 2 stamps. These were really cute. These are $1.75 each. I believe they're, yeah, both $1.75. This is a little jar with fireflies in it. Lightning bugs, fireflies, however you like to say it. But I thought that was really cute for a summer card. And this little rabbit, I couldn't resist. Look how big his ears are. He's so cute. And again, $1.75. And I believe that these were originally $6.99 for the rabbit. Yeah, both of them $6.99. So that's not bad, $1.75. You know. I just also picked up this, and this is from Flea Market again. It's the Fancies. And it is just a unicorn paper clips with crowns. And there is 6 of them, 3 of each kind, $1 from $3.99. Again, Paper Studio. But they are really cute. I didn't pick up a lot of stuff like that. Just a few things like that. Okay, and the rest of this stuff actually is from Michael's. So this is a Michael's bag. So I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, and this is my paper. My paper that I got. Hi, this is by Mamby, and it's 24 sheets. It's she believed she could, so she did, and it's for the breast cancer. Originally was $5.99 down to $1.50. These are all the designs. I haven't opened them all yet, but they're really, really cute. There's also, they say there's foil ones in. Oh yeah, there are. There's foil ones in here as well. And it shows you on the back. So I thought that was really nice for a card, birthday card. This one is my favorite one. This is Oh So Silver. It's by Paper Studio. Originally was at $19.99 down to $5. And it's metallic and foil, but 20 designs, 3 papers each. There's 60 sheets in here. 12 by 12 pack. But see all the designs. That's all the designs that are in there. I haven't opened them again because I just got them. Plus I have to reorganize my paper now. And then I got this one, Sophisticated Sparkle, Paper Studio. Originally $14.99 down to $3.75. 10 designs, 3 sheets each, so there's 30 papers in here. But this one right here, this is my favorite. I love this one. If they had 2 of these, I would have grabbed them because I really did like both. You know, I love this design. It's so nice with the flowers and stuff. But really, I love that one too. Oh, so pretty. Can't wait to use that. And then this one is XOXO, and again it was $14.99 down to $3.75. 20 designs, 4 papers each, 80 sheets in this one, 12 by 12 again. But this is really nice paper. I love the swans. Those swans, they're so nice. These, that's really pretty too. I love that. So I will be using this. I cannot wait to use that. Alright, so that is that haul. And then I went yesterday with my husband, and we just went in there just to see what was going on. And like I said, you can't beat the 75% off. And when it's 75% off, you might as well take advantage of it. So I'm going to sip my coffee, guys. And I don't know if you can see behind me, my tree back there. I made that. That's a Dollar Tree tree. I'm sorry guys, I didn't do any DIYs for Valentine's Day, even though I did them, but I just didn't film them. I was so sick. I'm kind of getting over being sick as well. It's just like I get over it and then I get it right back. So I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, right this week is their paper blowout sale. So this wasn't 75% off, but I needed black paper to make some silhouettes for a card. So I got the scraps. This is 1 pound, and it was $2.99 half off. So that was the only thing that I got that wasn't. Oh no, I got these too. This was on half off. Their stickers are half off, and these are Stickabilities, Paper Studio, and they are coffee cups, but they're little stickers. See them? And they're really cute, and I couldn't resist them. Okay, now on to the real stuff. Alright, so I got these spare parts. Again, these are like brads, but you could take the backing off of them and just use hot glue or whatever. These were originally $3.99 down to $1. There's 3 of them, but they're so pretty, and I just love having them in my stash. These are, I guess these are brads too. I'm going to open these real quick. I think that they are brads. I can't really see, but they are flamingos. Yes, they are brads. But they're flamingos. You get 6 of them, and this was $1. Spare parts again, but I mean $1 from $3.99. You know you can't resist. Okay, and then I got these copper brads. These were originally $2.99. I got them for 75 cents. These, like I said, they're marking down things even now. Like they're really, you have to go back and keep checking. So like, that is really nice. And I think that there's, I think it says 60 pieces. I just got a shower, so my glasses are steaming. All right, and then I got this Meow tape, and this was $1.25, but it was originally $4.99 washi tape. But I love the cats. You know, we love cats here in this house, and dogs. Okay. And then I went over to the paper section again. And okay, so then I went over to the paper section. This was originally $8.99, and it was $2.25. It has 20 designs, 4 papers each, so there's 80 sheets in here. Again, $2.25. That's a great price. So this is all the designs. It's a vintage look, so that's not bad. And then we're going to get to the stamps, and then I'll leave the good stuff for the end. I've always wanted to get these. I keep seeing them, and I believe they are from Hampton Arts, and they are the stacks. You know how you do the one, and it just builds up, so they're buildable. So that's a flamingo. So I can't wait to play with these. These are going to be really cute. Comes with a pineapple, flamingo, and this this flower, and then this little leaf here. So you can interchange them. You can use them for different things as well. And then I got this one. I don't know what company this is actually. It just says clear stamps and has a number on it. Originally these ones were $9.99 and they were $2.50. These were originally $9.99 down to $2.50. The reason why I got them is, well, a couple reasons, but the reason I got it was for the dragonfly there. The butterfly is beautiful. The little hummingbird. I love the ladybug. And Ink-a-Dink-a-Doo. Ink-a-Dink-a-Doo. That's the company right there. So that's really nice. $2.50. Then I couldn't believe it when I looked down and I saw the Julie Nutting cling stamp by Prima Dolls. Beautiful. $1.75. And she was $6.99 originally. $1.75. That's such a good price. Alright, so I got some also $9.99. These were down to $2.50. And I'm sorry, Heroes Arts, not Hampton. But these inks are so pretty. The caramel, I believe that's butterscotch, green apple, and forever green. So $2.50. This is what I'm on the hunt for, these kind of things. I love the little small blocks. Then they had their embossing powders on sale. So I did get myself 2 of them. They didn't have a lot of colors to choose from. They had yellow, 2 different color greens, a blue, but nothing like clear or anything like that. I wish they did, because I could use the clear. But this is the blue embossing powder, and it was $1.50 from $5.99. So, oh, there you go. And then this is green, but it's a different kind of embossing powder. So I'm gonna check this out later on today, actually. So I'm going to try to use it. So if they have any embossing ink, I'm going to grab some of that, because you always need to have it. Alright, and the last things I'm going to show you here, they had their punches finally on sale. I did take some pictures. They're on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw it, so please follow me on Instagram. Alright, so these are embossing and punches. So it embosses as well as punches, and the paw, I couldn't resist getting the paw. So it was originally $14.99 down to $3.75. So look at Mia back there. That's Mia. And then I got the Love Punch. Now this was originally $24.99, and this is by Friskers. Teresa Collins line, and it's a large punch, $6.25. So you can't beat that. You know, like, that is an amazing deal. Like, it's like giving it away. That's what my husband usually says. So, and then here I got some stuff from Michael's. And like I said, this stuff's been sitting around because I've been sick. So, we got this one. We got the grab bags. That's how long it's been sitting here. So this stuff was 60% off. Plus I got some clearance stuff. And the first thing I got here is a 20-piece Valentine's Day set. And it has little puppies in it. That one. And I believe I paid $2.99 for this, or $2.50. I got this Love. This is Live, Love, and Laugh, and I really thought that was cool. Die cuts, and it also has an embossing folder in there. And this was, I believe it was under $3, so that's not a bad price. And then again, this was 60% off. And it has the little otter, and I just thought that was so cute, that little otter and these two here. And they also have the matching dies in there, and it's by Sizzix. And again, it was 60% off. I don't really remember what I paid. I'm sorry. I don't have my, usually I have my receipt. Got a little paper pad because I don't have paper pads for Valentine's Day. So I got a little paper pad. This one is really pretty. So, little cutouts there. This is really, really pretty. So I got that. Again, these were all 60% off, so it was originally $5.99. I think it was $2.49 for that. And then I got another embossing folder, which this is really pretty. They had all their embossing folders like discounted really low, all under $3. So actually I think it was under 2. So spellbinders, that's so pretty. And then the last things I got, these were on the clearance aisles, and this is Tim Holtz. This was $5.99. This is the most I paid for it or anything. And I got it more for this here, for the script writing, and I love the bird and that love. That's really nice. And this says listen to your heart, so that is really nice. And then I got these tassels. They were $1.49. So that is it. And they give you like a little, you know, what to do here. So that is it, guys. That's all I got. This is a really long haul. Thank you for staying to the end. I hope that you did. I'm going to actually be having a giveaway probably at the end of the month. I will give you more of a detail about the giveaway. It's going to be, you know, participation is going to be needed, so it's actually going to be, I'm going to have you guys make something, send it to us, but it's going to be a nice giveaway. So I'm going to collect some stuff, and then I will let you know about it in a couple of weeks about the giveaway, but it's going to be a nice giveaway. Alright guys, thank you so much, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video, which will be a Dollar Tree. Alright, bye guys.